Hi, the doctor's in. I'm Dr. LB, and I'm here to help you through your mathematical difficulties. Today, we take a look at slope, we take a look at vertical lines and horizontal lines. So, slope measures the steepness of a line. If you have 2 points, let's call it x1 and y1. Another point, if you call that x2 and y2, then we can find the slope by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we have different types of slope. As you look from left to right, you can notice that this red line is steadily going up. So that's positive slope. On the second one, as you look from left to right, this red line steadily goes down. That's negative slope. If you have a horizontal line, you have a slope of 0. And if you have a vertical line, you have undefined slope. So let's find the slope. So let's suppose we have points x1, comma y1 to be negative 1, comma 3, and x2, comma y2 to be 2, comma 4. And let's find slope. Slope is y2, which is 4, minus y1, which is 3, over x2, which is 2, minus x1, which is a negative 1. So we have 4 minus 3 is 1. The double negatives make positive. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have slope of 1/3. If we plot this point, we can tell that yes, we do have a positive slope. We have negative 1, 3, which is here, and we have 2, 4, which is there. And yes, as we look from left to right, that line is steadily increasing. Let's look at another one. Let's find the slope of 4, comma negative 1. Call that x1, y1. And 2, comma negative 1. Call this x2, y2. So slope is y2, which is negative 1, minus a negative 1. x2, which is 2, minus x1 over 4. So what we have here is the double negatives make positive 1, and negative 1 plus 1 is 0 over negative 2, which we know is 0. So here we have 0 slope. And if we go over here and we plot these points, we have 4, negative 1, and we have 2, negative 1. So what we have here is a horizontal line. So it's a horizontal line going through 2. So a horizontal line has the form y equals b, where y equals the y coordinate on the point. So in this case, for this line, we have y equals negative 1. That is the equation of this line. Let's look at another one. Suppose we have 2, comma negative 4. Let's call this our x1, y1. And we have 2, comma 5. Let's call this our x2, y2. So slope is 5 minus a negative 4 all over 2 minus 2. So we have 9 over 0, which we know is undefined. Cannot have 0 in the denominator of a fraction. So if we plot these points, we have 2, negative 4, and we have 2, 5. So a vertical line has the form x equals a, or x equals whatever the x coordinate is. In this case, the equation of this line is x equals 2. So Remember that Dr. LB is always in. Please come back for more help.